Ever wondered how to bring your product designs to life with stunning 3D animations, all for free? In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of 3D creation. We'll show you how to generate incredible perfume bottle models using ComfyUI and the powerful Trellis too. The best part? This entire workflow is completely free and accessible to everyone. Before we jump in, if you haven't already installed Trellis 2, don't worry, I've got a dedicated video for that. You'll find the link in the description below. Pause this video, get Trellis 2 set up, and then come right back to master this amazing workflow. Let's get started. First of all, we need to open our ComfyUI. In this, we have to open ComfyUI FlashAttention file. Double-click on this. It will take a few seconds to run. Now ComfyUI is ready. First of all, you need the workflow. For workflow, we will go to this link. You will find this link in description. When you open this link, you will see this interface. In this, we have these files, one folder and one file. We will download all these files. When all images and files are downloaded, we will close this link. We will go to our download folder. This is our workflow file, and these are our reference images. First of all, we will simply drag our workflow in our ComfyUI. I have experimented on this. That's why this image is already added in this. We will add it again. We will try this number 4 image. You can try any image. These are our main nodes. You can write your file name in this named node, whatever file you want in output. So we will write test1 and in this node below. This is our final geometry counting. We have 1 million faces now. We set this value to 500,000. You don't have to change anything from here. So let's run this workflow. Click on Run button. Now you can see our nodes are running. You can go to Task Manager, then Performance tab, and here you can see our model's loading and generation has started. So let's wait. Our generation is complete. Let's compare our model with our reference image. So now you can see, model is very well generated. Now we will generate another model. This time we will generate this one. We will put image in it. First we will set the name of output file. We will give it name, test2, so we can identify which model we have generated. We will run this workflow. We hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to create your own amazing 3D projects. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.